So we'll get straight into it, and we'll just go ahead and edit this. And the strategy I do trade, as you'd probably know and have seen in the title, is the 10 AM power of 3. So with that in mind, I always do skip Monday. I don't trade Monday. So we'll get straight into it. So we're in this bearish gap. However, AS has tapped into its daily gaps and respect them. However, NQ did inverse them. Looks like this could be a potentially the start of a sell model now, but we have inversed this 4 hour. Yeah, this is looking like from a sell model, smart money reversal, and then accumulation, manipulation, distribution legs along the way. And now we have flipped bearish into the sell model. So I'll definitely be watching these gaps here. And we'll see what AS is looking like. Yeah, so a huge sell-off as well. Probably need to balance the EQ of this range. But we can go ahead and start going and keep an eye on all of my targets. And keep an eye on AS as well. So inverse that 5 that we just tapped into. Yeah, nothing really for us right now. We did tap into this 15 though. Bit late to get an entry. Okay, we're just gonna chop around all day, I guess. We did just form a new hourly gap. So this would definitely be a target. Yeah, we're reacting very well off that as well. Let's see if we can get this 5-minute gap to push up, give us a bullish pair of 3, and then we can sell. That would be a very nice setup. And then should be fine to take those inversions there. Leave stops just there. And then probably just need to target these lows, honestly. That'll give us a good enough risk to reward. And then we can go break even there, trim one there, trim one more there. And yeah. Well, we're not going to be able to trim, are we? We can go break even. I'm not trimming just yet. I'll take one off there and then just trail stops to like this high. Okay, no worries there. Good trade. Waited for that hourly candle to form, and we could see that we were reacting off it very well. And we had bullish pair 3 into a bearish. Well, this was just a bearish pair 3, but we tapped into the 5 just to push us up into that hourly gap. Okay, so next day. So AS has respected its daily gaps, and it does look like we could be in a potential sell model. However, this hourly, if we were in this sell model, we would have probably come down already after we manipulated into this 4 hour. But yeah, again, we'll keep an eye on price, what it's doing, and keep an eye on our PD raise as well. But it doesn't really look like we're going to have a very good day today. Do we have any news? We have news jolts at 10, but tomorrow's a heavy news day. So I wouldn't be surprised if we just chop around today. I don't think the market wants to do anything today, honestly. I'll give it till 11:30. If not, I'm just gonna have to sit this one out. On days like this, what would you really take, honestly? You need to learn when not to take trades. Preserving capital and sitting out is better than trying to force a trade and losing a trade. Market's going to be there tomorrow, next day. It's going to be there forever. So don't force your trades, boys. Okay, so next day on the Thursday, does look like we are bullish now. And yes, sort of starting this buy model. So this is going to be the main draw for today. Hopefully we can balance this range though. Okay. Yeah, AS and NQ are looking fairly similar. Okay, we can just get straight into this. So in this 5, I would like to see that 15 tap though. But if we break this level, I think I'm probably just going to take it. Because we have just tapped into that 5. I'd like a cleaner break than that. Okay. That should be fine for us. Obviously, I have to go break even at a 1-to-1. Yeah, you see that? I know where exactly where a 1-to-1 is, just off my eye, mate. Okay, we can. Don't tell me that resweeps his lows. Jewish price action, bro. Okay, let's go. There we go, break even there. 1-to-1 now. I would like. Okay, I'll trim one there. Do we hit our final draw or no? Stop me out, bro. Can't be out sitting through this. Okay. Very nice. Good trade. And on to the next day. Yeah, so clearly we are bullish now on the daily time frame. And just looking at this can be a clear draw for us. We still haven't hit all-time highs yet, though. So that could be a very good target for the next coming weeks. However, this range is looking a bit sussy because it has not been balanced yet. Whoa. So just tapped into this 1 minute. I'll see. Sorry, not this 1 minute, this 5 minute. I'll see what price does now. So it immediately just shoots up. Not really giving us any PO3s. We do have this 15 all the way down here, but I don't honestly think that we're going to come all the way down and tap that gap. However, we have not put in a low of this 4-hour candle yet. So, potentially nothing. We don't even have any gaps to tap into. Yes, anything. Come on, mate. Nothing. Okay. Well, let's see. So we have some SMT there. Tiny shit. Just 1 minute SMT. Made equalize with that fair value gap. And we just inverse this gap. Look, I'll try them there and go like extremely light risk. And we're break even like right here. And then where's the draws? Let's target this as well. And we're gonna leave a fat runner up to here. 14R. Chat to me nice. But look, this isn't really a bad PO3. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. We just never actually tapped into any PD raise and haven't not put in the low of this 4 hour candle yet. So that's just why I'm a bit suspicious. Because the whole basis of trading the 10 AM PO3 is that we accumulate, put in the lower high of the candle, and then distribute in the opposite direction. And in this case, we haven't done that. We've immediately just gone straight up. So always do have to keep that in mind when you are looking for a PO3. I always ask myself, have we put in the 4 hour lower high with this manipulation leg? And if we haven't, I usually just sit the trade out. But in this case, backtesting and very light risk on the backtest and stopped out at break even. So we knew exactly what we were doing there, didn't really have faith in the setup, but still took it anyway. Yeah, we can end this backtesting session off. Here are the stats. 50 trades, 43k profit, basically, and 90%. So, yeah, enjoy, boys. Well, I hope you enjoyed, sorry. And I'll see ya.